karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox my Suunto Core all black watch. So guys, before I open it, okay, I would like to tell you like I paid about 125 American dollars including shipping, and I ordered it online on Juma shop. So guys, now let us open it and we will see in what condition it reached me, and we will open it and we will see the contents of the box, and we will do some basic review of it. Bill. So that was the first box. Okay, so here is the box for our Suunto core. So guys, before we open it, I would like to tell you like I am impressed with the packing, how Jumma shop has packed it. So guys, this is the box for my Suunto core, all black. Okay, so now let us open the box and let us see. And here is the watch. So it has this protective coating on it, that sticker. Let me remove it. So I don't know whether it comes with the battery or not. Okay, so guys, here is the watch. Right now it doesn't show anything on the display. Let me press some buttons. Maybe there is something to activate. Yes, now I press this button and you can see the Suunto logo appears. Now it is asking me to select the language. Okay, we'll go with English. No, we want to go with English. I think this is the select button, and it is showing me some time. Okay, that what it does, how to set it, that we'll see. So guys, this is Suunto core all black. Okay, so guys, this watch, if you like multifunctional watch, it has altimeter, barometer, it has compass, it has thermometer, it has sunrise and sunset timer for about 400 countries or 400 different locations, and it offers water protection up to 30 feet. Means you can use it for swimming but you cannot use it for diving. And as you can see, when we turned it on, it has multilingual sport language sport, so I set it to English. And the glass of this watch is a mineral crystal glass, and the band of this watch is a silicone band. Okay, let me open it. So guys, this watch is not very big, but it is not very small also. Okay, and the top bezel of this watch, okay, is a bi-directional bezel. It turns in both the direction. I think I need to set the time, that we will do. So guys, this is Suunto core all black. Okay, so now I'll wear it on my wrist and we can give you some perspective. So already I'm wearing my Formula 1 watch, so I'll take it off and I'm going to wear it for you. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks on my wrist. So guys, this is Suunto core all black. So guys, again, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more and more watch reviews and how to do stuff. Okay, and all of you guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned.